What's up, everybody? Brian with BH35 Sports Cards. We are doing our half case of 2015 Bowman Inception baseball. Yeah, pick your team break, kind of. We did 6 of these teams were from a filler, and the rest were live auction. So here you go. These are your teams. This one's mine. No one wanted to bid on it. No, it's not for sale. These were a package deal. The green ones were the ones that were won from the mega break or mega filler, whatever you want to call it. So there you go. That's it. Good luck, everybody. Should be a quick one. Got a full case in the store, guys. I just explained it for you. It's a hybrid. You pick your team, and then you get a random team along with it. Oh, that's a thick one. That is not. We'll go in order of girthiness. Good luck, everybody. Starting off with a Max Pentecost for the Blue Jays. Toronto. One on auction by Irish Schiff. Michael Conforto. Nice one for the Mets. It's going to be Masher. Blake Swihart, Red Sox. Red Sox was Sooner Steve. Tyler Glass now for the Pirates. Pirates. M. Seller, Mike and Rita. M. Sellers. USA Breaks, whatever you want to call it. And for the Mariners, Auto Relic DJ Peterson. Pack 2, box 2. Jesse Winker, blue to 150 for the Reds. It's going to be Big Papi. Sean Coyle, Red Sox. George Alfaro, orange, 24 out of 25 for the Rangers. It's the Hunter, 42. Grant Holmes for the Dodgers. National Black Shirts. Got the Dodgers. Grant Holmes. And for the Arizona Diamondbacks, Big Papi. Braden Shipley. Box 3 of the break. Sean Newcomb, 1 of 1. Wow, this is going to be a hell of a pack. For the Angels, purchased for $8 by Mike and Rita. Steven Moya for the Tigers. Cole Stewart, green to 99 for the Twins. JK34. Christian Binford for the Royals. Big Papi, $7. And for the Cubs, Chris Bryant, blue to 150. There you go. Pulling some heat tonight, fellas and ladies. Big. And last one. This one is significantly thicker than the others. What that means, I don't know. Maybe we get a live patch. Maybe it's a book. Not a book. I don't think it's a patch. Just all live cards, maybe. Tim Anderson, White Sox. Yay. Bradley Zimmer, Indians. Christian Walker, Orioles. Huh. For the combo block, Forsyth. Bowman Black. Monty Harrison, 15 out of 25. About that. Bam. That's why it was a bit thicker. And a Alfaro for the Rangers to end it. So that's your break. Pretty good one. Thank you everybody who joined. I appreciate it. Let's try to do more live auctions. Peace.